I've been using the Mission Lane credit card for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the Mission Lane credit card. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Mission Lane credit card. The Mission Lane credit card is a straightforward option designed for individuals looking to build or rebuild their credit. One of the standout features of this card is that it reports your payment history to all three major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, which is vital for improving your credit score through responsible use. Unlike secured cards, the Mission Lane credit card does not require a deposit, making it accessible for those who may not have funds up front. Additionally, the card offers periodic account reviews to increase your credit limit, typically after 7 months of good payment behavior. This could improve your credit utilization ratio, further boosting your score. Plus, the card also includes some modest perks, such as free credit education tools and auto rental collision damage insurance. On top of that, cardholders can manage their accounts using the Mission Lane mobile app, which simplifies tracking spending, checking credit utilization, and making payments. However, the card falls short in a few other areas. For instance, it charges a $39 annual fee, which might be a drawback compared to other no-annual fee cards like the Pedal One Visa card. Additionally, it offers no rewards or cashback program, making it less appealing for those looking to earn perks while building credit. Another significant consideration is the high variable APR, ranging from 26.99% to 33.99%. This makes carrying a balance costly, so it's essential to pay off your statement in full each month. The card also imposes a late fee of up to $35, which can add up for users who struggle to pay on time. Overall, the Mission Lane credit card is an excellent stepping stone for those starting their credit journey or recovering from financial setbacks. But as always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.